Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. So, children, this is lesson 2, video 1 from my English practice book. So, today we are going to learn the second chapter, that is, second unit. It is replacing words. So, what are replacing words? Let us see. Worksheet 1, I'll read the sentences. Just see, children. Then I'll tell you what are replacing words. This is an example. First one. Meeta is a 10-year-old girl. Meeta studies in class 3A in DAV public school. Meeta has a lot of friends. Everybody in the class likes Meeta. So here, did you observe, children? Meeta is a 10-year-old girl. Again, Meeta studies in class 3A. In the next sentence also, Meeta has a lot of friends like this. So many times they have written as Meeta. So let us see B. Next one. Meeta is same one we have written in the different manner. Meeta is a 10-year-old girl. She studies in class 3A in DAV public school. She has a lot of friends. Everybody in the class likes her. So, what difference do you observe, children? So, in the first question, that is the first one, we have seen that Mita is written many times after the full stop. So, in the second one, that is B, instead of Mita, in the second sentence, it is written as she. And again, in the third sentence, instead of Mita, it is written as she. And also in the fourth sentence, instead of Mita, it is written as her. So, she, and also that is two times she is written. She and her are called as replacing words. Okay, children? So, instead of noun, we are noun means what? Mita is noun. Names of persons, places, animals, or things are known as nouns. We have studied in the first chapter. Is it not, children? The word which we use in place of nouns are known as replacing words, or they are known as pronouns. Okay, children? They are known as replacing words or pronouns. So next one. Which of the above two passages do you think is better? Discuss with your partner. Ritu. Can you lend me a pencil, Mohit? Mohit. Sorry, I have already given it to Sahil. So here instead of pencil, it is written in the second sentence as it. So the replacing word here, uh, what is it? It is written instead of pencil, that is noun. Okay, children. So it is a replacing word instead of pencil, which is a noun. In the first sentence, you stands for Mohit and me stands for Ritu. Okay, children. Even not only it. Can you lend me a pencil means you means Ritu is asking to Mohit. So instead of Mohit, you is written, and also lend me a pencil means instead of Ritu, me is written. So they are also replacing words. In the second sentence, I stands for Mohit. Sorry, I have already given it to Sahil means I means Mohit. Instead of Mohit, I is written, and also it stands for pencil. So here you, me, I, it are all replacing words. Ritu, Mohit, and pencil are naming words, nouns. You, me, I, and it are used in place of nouns. They are called as replacing words or pronouns. Understood, children? Next. Anu and Mona. Mother, it's our grandparents' anniversary tomorrow. We want to buy a gift for them. Can you please come with us to the market? Mother, why not, children? I'm sure they will love it. In this dialogue, we and us stand for Anu and Mona. You stands for mother and them stands for grandparents. Similarly, I stands for mother, they stands for grandparents, and it stands for gift. Anu, Mona, mother, grandparents, and gift are all naming words or nouns. These naming words have been replaced by we, us, you, them, and it. which are known as replacing words. Here, we, us, you, them, and it are replacing words, which are used instead of naming words. That is Anu, Mona, mother, grandparents, and gift. Understood, children? So, next. Words that are used in place of naming words or nouns, are called as replacing words or pronouns. Understood, children? Words that are used in place of naming words are called replacing words, or they are also called as pronouns. Read the following extracts from the passage The Canary. I think all of you have understood the lesson Canary, and also you remember the story of my English reader and underline the replacing words. Okay, children. Now let us read the passage. Some extracts from the passage. Somu's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. Somu named her Molly. So, had given him. A is not there, children, here. Just correct it. So here, what are the replacing words? Him. Him means instead of Somu. And his. His also instead of Somu's. That is his birthday means Somu's birthday. And also her. Her means that canary. So here him, his and her are naming words. Sorry, replacing words. Next. Somu's friends would come to see Molly every day. She would sing sweet songs for them. After some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. One day he did not clean the cage. Another day he did not feed her. So we have to find out the naming words. The underlined words, that is she, them, and he, and her. These are replacing words. Understood, children? Next, look at the following pictures and fill the correct replacing words from the aid box given on the next page. That is some replacing words are given, children. You can see in the next slide. So let us read it. Dash am a girl. I am a girl. Dash are a tall boy. The girl is telling to that boy, you are a tall boy. Dash is a fat man. He is a fat man. So Dash is a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. So I am, you, he and she are all replacing words. Next, Dash is a beautiful painting. This is a beautiful painting. Dash are best friends. We are best friends. I have invited Dash for dinner this weekend. I have invited him for dinner this weekend. Dash are our new neighbors. They are our new neighbors. So this, we, him, they, all these are replacing words. Understood, children? Next, worksheet 2. Read the story given below and tick the correct option. Once upon a time, an old man lived in a village. So instead of old man, we have to write here the replacing word, that is he. He had 4 sons. Instead of 4 sons, we have to replace they. They were very lazy. Next, the old man used to work alone in the fields. His sons never helped him. So that means him and his, they, he, all these are replacing words. Understood, children? Next, one day the old man thought of a clever plan. He called his sons and told them that he had buried all his treasure in his field. So here he, them, he are all replacing words. Next, the brothers went and dug the field up. They did not find any treasure. They went back to their father. Here they is also a replacing word used instead of the brothers. The old man laughed and told them that the field was their only treasure. Here them was also a replacing word used instead of the brothers. By taking the brothers plough the field, the old man had by making the brothers plough the field, the old man had given them a chance to earn money by growing crops. So here them is also a replacing word used instead of the brothers. Understood, children? So next, read the following dialogues and write in brackets what or who the underlined pronouns stand for. One example has been given for you. So, first one, teacher. Why isn't Prashant coming to school? Is he keeping well? Instead of he, that is instead of Prashant, we have written he. That is a replacing word instead of Prashant. Next, Mudit. Yes, madam. He called me. He means Prashant. Called me. Me means Mudit. Yesterday. He has gone out of station with his family. They means Prashant and his family, will be staying there for a week. Rishi and Ankita. Kapil, are you coming with us? You means Kapil. Us means Rishi and Ankita. To Neha's birthday party today? So, Kapil. No, I can't. Next, Rishi. Why hasn't she invited you? She means Neha. Kapil. Oh, no, she has invited me. Me means Kapil. But I have to take my mother to the hospital today. She means mother. She has an appointment with the doctor. Next, teacher. Smita, isn't your mother a doctor? Smita, yes, madam. She means mother. She is a general physician. Teacher, can you please ask her? You means Smita. Please ask her. Her means mother. To come to our school and deliver a lecture on health and hygiene. Smita, I will convey your message to her. Her means mother. I will convey your message to her, madam. I am sure she would love to come to our school. She means mother. And guide the students about health and hygiene. Okay, children. Here we have seen the replacing words and what are the names actually we have used here. Instead of the names, we have used the replacing words and the names also we have written in the brackets. Okay, children. The nouns used instead of replacing, that is the replacing words used instead of nouns are written in the brackets. Next, replace the underlined words with they, them, or it and write the sentence again. Here, some words are underlined and you have to replace those words using they, them, or it. Let us read. First one. Animals too get cavities. Animals need to be treated for cavities just as humans do. So instead of animals and cavities, you have to replace with a replacing word. Answer. Animals too get cavities. They need to be treated for it just as humans do. So we have replaced animals with they and also cavities with it. Next, the most talkative parrot on record was an African grey parrot. The African grey parrot had learnt almost 1000 words. Here the African grey parrot was written two times. So instead of that, we have to write a replacing word. So it is it. The most talkative parrot on record was an African grey parrot. It had learnt almost 1000 words. So instead of African grey parrot, we have replaced as it. So it is a replacing word. Next one. A mosquito has 47 teeth. I wonder how many of these the mosquito uses when the mosquito bites. So here again mosquito is used two times, so we have to replace it. Replace the mosquito with the replacing word. A mosquito has 47 teeth. I wonder how long of these the mosquito uses when it bites. So it is a replacing word for mosquito. Next, zebras are not black with white stripes. Zebras are actually white with black stripes. So again we have to write a replacing word for zebras. The zebras are not black with white stripes. They are actually white with black stripes. So instead of the zebras, we have written they. Next, honeybees are among the most hardworking creatures. To make 1 pound of honey, the honeybees have to collect nectar from about 20 lakh flowers. So instead of honeybees, we have to write a replacing word. Honeybees are among the most hardworking creatures. To make 1 pound of honey, they have to collect nectar from about 20 lakh flowers. So instead of honeybees, we have written they. They is the replacing word for honeybees. Next, fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns or replacing words. One day, a poor fisherman caught a magical fish. The fish requested him to leave it, and promised to grant one wish, promised to grant him one wish. So here the fish requested him means fisherman and it means fish. To grant him means again it is fisherman. The fisherman had two children. They had no shoes. They means children. So they is the replacing word for children. So he asked the fish to give him. He means it is a replacing word for fisherman. To give him also replacing word for fisherman. Two pairs of shoes for his children. The fish promised that when he returned home, he means replacing word for fisherman, he would find the same thing. He is also a replacing word for fisherman. His children means fisherman's children. His is the replacing word. Wearing not only new shoes but also new clothes. Understood, children? These all are the replacing words. So this same exercise you have to write in the assignment two times. Okay, children? So assignment. Write, fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronouns or replacing words two times. Okay, children? Thank you.